Hi, welcome everyone. My name is Bruce Swartz. I'm from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. There's aliens on the moon. This is a 4-inch, well, almost 5-inch, I think it's 4.8, right? The 127 SLT telescope. So a 5-inch scope. This is in the beginning, 2016. I noticed there were colors and objects on the surface in unison, side by side, having a hard time to clarify it with the 4-inch. And when I had of course, the 14-inch, now we're talking a lot more high definition. But nonetheless, that's how it started. And I had a hard time convincing people that the surface was not gray. So you want to see the cities, the industrial setups, the construction, the mechanisms, mechanics, whatever is down there. It's all constructed right in front of us. We're going to zoom up. It's on the bottom right. They're everywhere, but we're going to zoom up on the bottom right. Take note of that blur or haze that is lined all unevenly over certain areas of the structure, like somebody just poured some cotton candy all over the place. Those are smaller connections and structures. They have the same reflectivity as the surface, and we cannot see them unless that line of light, the terminator line, is presently close to the crater itself or the area you want to see. There they are. Structures side by side in unison, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all those down on the bottom. Big, massive building-like objects, connections, structures. Some even look like giant canisters, like giant containers, right? They're cylindrical containers of some kind. We often think that these videos could never be exposed on YouTube, when in reality, if they don't have the title or credibility behind it or some big massive science association, it's not credible to the public. The public will not believe it. Therefore, these videos remain here. I'm not descending or thrashing any space association or anyone related to what is up on the moon. I'm just sharing my belief that I believe the moon is actively inhabited or visited. With that said, those who are able to see under the veil, read between the lines, and view this work, my research, and make your own decisions through common sense and orient your own beliefs afterwards, because it's an amazing part of a secret that was never told to the world. And of course they knew at one point we would find it, and they will accept it. They have to, because we've evolved. If we're at the point where we're finding structures on the moon, it's because we've evolved past that innocent, naive, primitive, point. This is behind, north of Mare Fecunditatis. The craters at the back are revealing us all these structures. We're seeing them as bright white lights, but in reality, this is the real surface. And there's nothing more real than this only filter that I use. It's an X-ray processing. Now, hang on. The before and after are exactly the same, except the white spots, like here, that white bright spot that you see, I was able to get a more high definition shot, and this is just beyond Mare Fecunditatis. And again, I'm going to tell you, and I can't say it enough, the line, the terminator line, we always see a revealing surface, always different depending on where that line is as the moon phase goes over. Bottom right, even in Mare Fecunditatis, those little lights, those are light sources. And that bright material, that structuring object, whatever it is, these objects, they're used for something. That's for sure. It was constructed, and if it's natural, no, it's not natural. And we're going to see it close up, and we're going to see it again with the X-ray processing, really close. These are massive, massive platform-like, bridge, empire-like structuring. And on top of this, you have light sources, and that's all combined blinding us. But do you see what is between them? Yeah, What's around it? What are you looking at? The white. What do you think it is? Seriously. If it is not cloud cover, natural cloud cover due to an atmosphere, it's deliberate camouflaged smokes or gases. This is beyond dust. I mean, it'd have to be like an atomic bomb to get dust like this. So someone or something is producing this gas, dust, or it's an atmosphere. John Lear said there was an atmosphere higher than we were told, and I most definitely believe it. Let's see it even closer. Mr. Lear, I'm going to have to go down to Nevada and I want to do a convention with you. I want you to help expose my work. We have to do this, track so many thousands of people. That would be absolutely amazing. So much respect for that guy. Look at this, guys. Okay, we're going to zoom in really, 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 really close. Okay? And we're going to look at the structuring that's under the cloud cover or smoke or haze. I mean, wow. What a movie theme, right? I know what the next movies are going to be in 2019. They're going to make it moon documentary. Oh, hope they use my footage. The area we're seeing all these structures, exact area, are all the purple lights that you see right there around Mare Fecunditatis to the right of the moon. You can see inside of those purple areas are those jumbled up structures, amongst many other places, of course. The moon is entirely structured, but for us to be able to see them, we have to wait for that terminator line of light to go by. Thanks for watching, everyone. Weekend coming up, a lot of great videos. I'm waiting for a snowstorm tomorrow, but I still have hours of footage to look through. Want to see something absolutely crazy? There's a perfect symmetrical circle right beside Plato Crater that I've never noticed myself. It's like a shadow that's sort of there, but very transparent. It's perfectly symmetrical.